make a closure wig for you guys today. This is my first video. I just was making the wig and decided to record myself doing it, so please bear with me, you guys. It's gonna be a process. Things are gonna get better as time progresses, but I'm just gonna be quiet and finish making the wig. Now right now I just sewing the first bundle in. I haven't sewed the closure on yet, but I'm gonna do that for you guys. This bundle, so me, I just go under and pull through. This is just gonna secure the weft to the cap, so no matter how much combing or yanking you're gonna do, it's still gonna be very good. The track's gonna be in there. So I know I usually sew my tracks an inch apart just to ensure that flatness and the tightness, but if you want to do 2 inches, that's fine. It's really your preference. If you do the wider, you probably would save a lot of time making the wig. See me, I just take my time when I make my wigs, because I make them with love. I really love doing this. So I just pull the string, go down, get to the net, make sure you have. I'm actually sewing 2 bundles down as well. This is a double weft. I actually colored this hair. You can't see the color yet, but once it's totally dry, everything is just gonna blend nice and pretty. And look, you guys, you see, it's so flat onto the cap. Kind of slow, so bear with me. And I'm not gonna show the whole video of me really sewing it, like the whole wig. This is just so you guys can get the gist of it. Hold, pull, hold. Get a piece of the cap. You don't want to get a lot, or you don't want to go through the cap. You're just gonna slightly put the needle through the cap and pull. See? Let that go. Boom. If y'all want me to go closer, I would show y'all. I just want y'all to see right there. Now, go down. Like, look, I'm only putting it through here like that. Down. Boom. Then, under the wefts. Boom. Now, when you get to the end of the weft, I cut my tracks for a wig. I feel like it gives a flatter look. and y'all gonna see what I'm talking about in the end. But okay, so you see how it's flipped like this. You're gonna get a little bit of the cap, put it through both wefts. Knot. Do the same thing. Knot. And then what I do is I get my pair of scissors. Hold on, let me get my scissors. Excuse my little kitty scissors. But I just cut. Now you see when you cut, it's this right here. You're gonna take your needle, go through the cap again, and make sure you go through both wefts. Pull through. Flat, flat, flat. And you can do it as many times as you would like. The more times you do it, you're just securing the track that it won't come up. So I do it about 3 times. 3 times until I get the desired flatness that I'm looking for. Boom. And there you go. Finish sewing this track. So next, well, I'll probably rearrange it because I'm going to edit this video. So I'm going to sew the closure on for you guys. Now, I already put my cap on, but when I put my cap on, I really try to put these two, like line this up with the center of this. This just gonna, and it's just gonna help make sure your closure is in the middle and it's nice and flat. So 1 second, let me get the closure. When you are putting your closure down, you want to line everything up with everything. So we really want the closure to be a tad bit, just a tad bit in front of the cap. And this is if you're doing a frontal style or even just a regular closure wig. You're gonna pin that down right there. You're gonna pull this straight because you want it to be straight from where you pinned the first one. T-pins, looking for my T-pins. Take this and just put it in. So I just want to show y'all this is straight. Okay, so then what I do is I turn it. Okay. So you're going to make sure that you pin it right above the cap like you did on the other side. Just do the same thing to both sides, really. We just want to ensure that this is as tight as it can be on the cap when you pin it. So when you do sew it down, I pull it a little bit just to ensure that tightness that I'm looking for. And sometimes, you know, you can just go back and readjust it just to make sure everything is stretched. You want it to be stretched a little bit, because that's just going to ensure that your wig is very, very flat. And that's what we want. We want flat wigs. We only wear flat wigs around here. Flat wigs, no fat wigs. Flat wigs, no fat wigs. Sometimes you gotta pin it down right here. It's not gonna rip. If it ain't no cheap lace, it shouldn't rip. So, hold on. Okay. So, your wig should look like this. Your closure should look like this on your wig. Your wig cap. Your wig head. This looks like it's pushed back a little bit. So, I mean, if you have to keep adjusting it just to ensure it's how you want it, do that. Ain't nobody. You can do this. Take 20 minutes if you like. Okay. So now you can see it's nice and flat on the head. So what I do is you can braid it, you can twist it. I'ma just twist it up real quick. Twist it up, twist it up, twist it up, get it out my way. So, you're going to need 2 needles to sew the closure down. And I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to tell you why you need 2. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys liked this video and learned something new. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me on these social media platforms. Thank you.